so excited. So the box I'm unboxing tonight is actually one of my favorite subscriptions when it comes to makeup. Yes, I love this box. They always give me the best lashes, and then people turn around later and they're like, girl, where'd you get those lashes? Ooh, what lashes do you wear? Most of the ones, when you guys ask me that question, come from this subscription. No, it's not a lash subscription, but they always give you lashes in this subscription, and I absolutely love this subscription. So if I haven't hyped it up enough already, let's see what I got this month. I'm very excited, and let's get into it. Now, if you are interested in signing up for Glow Addict Beauty Box, which you should be because it's amazing, I will link everything below, including the price of the box and the link to sign up. I'll make it that easy for you. All you gotta do is watch my video, tell me what you think, and let's get into it. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please, please, please. Join our family, make friends, make more family members, whatever you want to call it. Please smash the like button, and as always, I ask that everybody please comment below. Tell me what you think. I always like seeing what you guys think of these boxes. Again, this one is one of my faves. Love it, love it, love it. No, they don't pay me to say that. No, they don't send me the box for free. No, I don't make anything if you sign up. I just love it, love it, love it that much. Okay, so let's get into it and see what I got this month. All right. And I'm so excited to be opening boxes for October too, because I'm like, what are they going to give me on my favorite month? Are they going to stick with theme? You never know, so we'll see. All right, so this is a mask, and it's called Masquerade, all skin types 1 sheet mask, pre-party prep, brighten and prime, and it's orange peel oil, rice, and tomato. That's interesting. She's cute, getting ready. Who the hell puts mascara on with a sheet mask? If you do, tell me that in the comments below, but I'd be too scared to mess something up. All right, we got some Suva Beauty. Okay, so let's see. The shade is Hibiscus, and this is Suva Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops. Open this up. This one might be a little darker of a shade. I think my last box I got was more of a gold, and this looks like a bronze, so we'll see. We shall see. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Look at this color. Yes, honey, that's very pretty. You could use that and mix that in your bronzer, or depending on what skin tone, it might be perfect as a highlighter for your skin tone, but for me, I think that would be beautiful mixed in with the bronzer. That's gorgeous. Suva Beauty makes really, really pretty liquid drops. So, thank you again, Glow Addict. See, they want me to glow and look my best. Okay, this is another Suva Beauty, which is a great brand, guys. All right, so what is this? Moisture Matte Liquid Lipstick. And the shade is Bad Nam. So not Bad Man, but Bad Nam. So, see if you can see that. Maybe not. But let's see what you look like. It looks like it might be a fall color. Let's see if I'm right. I might be totally off. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. That would go really good with my shirt. That's really pretty. Told you guys I love this box. They never fail me. Okay, so that's 2 Suva Beauty products. All right, and then we got not the Beauty Blender brand. I always say Beauty Blender, but I don't want to throw you guys off. This is by Ruby Maze Cosmetics. This is a nice full-size blender. It's called the Flawless Blending Sponge. So I love getting these, and I love that they gave me a full size, and it's black, perfect for Halloween. Love it. Okay, Do y'all want to see my lashes? They're not ready. They're not ready. Okay, so these are by Zola, which I've determined I really love Zola because they've given me Zola a few times in these, and yeah, I love them. Look how pretty those are. They're so gorgeous. And let's see, it says premium 3D mink lashes, reusable up to 30 times with proper care. And this is the style. It's OMG, and I have had this style before, and it's stunning. So I love these. I'm super happy to get these again. All right, and then something I also love, they always include lash glue. Now this time they gave me a big one. Like usually they give you like a smaller one because they give you one pair of lashes. But nope, I got lash glue by the Lashy box. So strip lash adhesive. Yep, so this is not, I think this is white. Yeah, it's white. That's a nice size. Happy with that. And then I always get a palette with this brand. I'm telling you guys, this subscription I cannot walk away from. This is just one of those where it's like, they never fail me. I'm always happy with them. So this is oh, how cute for Halloween. Okay, so this is by Ruby May Cosmetics, which some people I think get tired of getting Ruby May Cosmetics. I actually like that brand. Like one of my favorite go-to palettes. Let's see if I have it over here. Anyway, it doesn't matter, but it's a like nothing but glitter palette, and it's my favorite palette. And it has lasted, I've had it almost a year now, and I use it for almost every single look I do, and I still have plenty of glitter in it. I don't know, it's a great brand. So I think more people should give it a try instead of just, oh, it's not Tarte. Ruby May is doing her thing, so. This is a palette. How cute is that for freaking Halloween? Pop Zombie? Guys. Beauty and Halloween and a palette? What? Okay, let's see what it looks like. I can't wait. Please don't be broken. And it's not. And I've told you guys in the past, unless you're new here, I love color, and more colors. So like today I have purple and green on. This is from the Jeffree Star Alien palette. I just love color and to play with it. So anyways, this is the palette. Here's the shade names. Virus, Brains, Corpse, Plague, Pop, Pus, Undead, Necro, and Ghoul. I love that. Anyways, this box was made for me. It would be so amazing if they just were like, Gina, we'll just send it to you free for the rest of your life. I'd be like, yes, ma'am. And send me an extra pair of lashes. I'd be so excited. So anyways, if you're interested in signing up for Glow Addict Beauty, which again, I highly recommend. I was actually recommended to this box by a subscriber. They saw it and they were like, this box looks like you. Have you seen it? And I'm like, I've never heard of it. And so I went and looked and I was like, girl, I signed up as soon as I saw it. Amazing. And I've been subscribed ever since. And she was right. I love it. And so I'm truly thankful for her for showing it to me. So if you are interested in subscribing, please click the description box below. I will have the details, how much this box costs, as well as a link for you to sign up. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. Love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!